can say 1.1. I can say 1.2, and I can say 1.3. So it is going to give me an option. If I enable a minor version, what type of modification exactly? It's a major or a minor one. So it means that when I work on this document, and when I try to modify something, and when I save this document, when I close this document, it is going to ask me, do you want to check in now? When I say yes, it is going to give me an option. Do you want to go with minor version or a major version? Minor version and a major version. So when I say a minor version, it is going to give me my document number 4.3. And when I select a major version, my document number will go in this sequence: 1.2, 2.0, 3.0. So I, as an author, I know what changes I have made to this specific document. If changes is very high, I will make it as a major changes. If changes is very low, I will make it as a minor changes, depending on me as an author. So what the document management system going to give me? It is going to give me a two-way to manage my document. One is called co-authoring. To control the co-authoring, you have an option to enable check-in, check-out. I have another way to control my document is to go and enable a versioning. Versioning, which can be a minor versioning and a major versioning. And then you can define that when someone have a minor version change, whether that change is a final change or it is still in a draft. So you again have a further option to define, is it a minor change or a major change. So does your changes which you make in a minor is a final one, or does it is going to be a draft one? Remember, when we say a draft one, it is only visible to a user who have edit right on this document. This is what the setting we make. Only user with edit right is going to see the changes. If user only have a read write, they cannot see the changes whatever you make in this minus version. And then when you make this draft final, then it is visible for everyone to see the changes. So you have all the options which generally available on a SharePoint site for you as a user to work on. And what else? You can track the changes now. Who has done? So it's going to maintain the full versioning property. Everything what we did, they are going to manage that. And now you have an option to go ahead, view that, check what exactly done by this user, and then you can go and find it out that this changes is really unacceptable changes or not. And until and unless you do not do not agree that this changes is acceptable, you can leave it. So you have both the options available with you. So what this DMS is going to give you, they are not only let you to do a check-in, check-out or maintain the versioning, they also maintain the full history of their versioning, how many times the document gets changes. It's going to make full history. document whenever it gets changed. And by whom? Who has made the changes? So it means that the document management system, which we see here, is basically a part of my site hierarchy. Where the document management system come, either we can enable the document management system at the root site or the sub site. So we have an option that we can enable this at the root site. We can also enable this at the sub site. Or even for our pages, we are going to enable the document management system. So document management system is a very important part of any SharePoint deployment which you might doing or which you might do in the future. Every customer need this a specific feature to be enabled on their SharePoint so that the user can manage their document. They can maintain how many times document get edited. And then only the document is get released for people to access that. Look at that, the document which I shared with you last time, document where I have said that lab manual to deploy a SharePoint is basically something which I want to see. If you go scroll down, you see that this particular document is prepared on this specific date. Maybe someone has prepared this note, but other might have pasted this screenshot. So might be same document, three people work, right? One who prepared the document and one who is a contributor. Look at that. This people is a contributor and this people is an author. So it means that every document which is produced in a company, they must have a very clear cut when prepared, who is a contributor. So means this particular document get created by not a single people, multiple people have done their contribution. One who write this content, while another might use the screenshot. So there are more than one people. And this is how most of the organization work. This is how most of the company work. For each content, there might be a different contributor. For each content, there is a different role. So this is what the DMS is going to give us as an organization, how we can go and manage my content from here to here, from a document management system to co-authoring, to a versioning, to checkout, to check-in, to measure, to a minor. Now let's redeal this same scenario again. Come back to our SharePoint. Let me come back here. Create one more site collection. Give it a name, DMS demo. Go to application management. Not here, not here. You have to create a new site collection. Hold on. Let me close this one. Close. Yeah. Create a new site collection. Give it a name, DMS demo. DMS is a document management system. Just type here DMS. You should not give a gap with DMS and a demo. Demo. Just say DMS demo. document management system demo. All right. Just type a username. Checked in. Click OK. All right. Yeah. Launch the URL. Go to view all site collection. Click the DMS demo. Copy the URL from left hand side top. All right. So now I want you to enable every feature of this document management system. Go to the documents now. Pretty good. Library. Good. Library setting. Very good. First, enable a versioning system. Say yes on the top. Click create minor version. Then select. Yeah, this is all. Yeah, perfect. Click OK. All right. So we have enabled versioning and a mandatory checkout. Click the advanced setting now. Yes. All right. Click OK. Perfect now. Click the validation setting. So by default, it is going to give you that how this particular document going to be validated. Leave it the copy or approval status as it is. In a below, just type a user message. Just type that your document is under review. Wait for approval. Wait for approval. Yeah. All right. Scroll down. Click save now. Perfect now. So we have done the configuration of this document management system. Now create a notepad file. In a search box, type notepad in a Windows search. Just type that this is demo document. Click file. and save. The same C drive data. And give it a name, any name which you like. Perfect. Upload the document in the document library. Just save version 1. Oh, okay. So now it's saying that this particular document has successfully checked out to you. Checked out means document is locked, right? Other user cannot use the same document to modify that. You say check-in. When you say check-in means another user can access this document or can modify this document. Now what I want this to be, go back. Now assign or share this site with two users, Tim and a Tom. You have a top level share option on the top, very top. Yeah. So with Tim on the top. And look at that, what option you have. So okay. That's fine. No worry. All perfect now. Now just copy the site URL from top, which is spvm/site. Yeah. Copy this URL and paste in a Google browser. Not here in a Google browser. You have a below Google browser open. In a taskbar, yeah. Just click the Google browser. All right. Just paste it here. Yeah, perfect. With that one. So by default, Tom able to get the access. But look at that, document is not available to the Tom. Why? Correct, huh? Tom not able to see this document.
Mhm.
Go back to the first one. Does Tom has a permission? And does Tom does not have a permission? Go back to the Internet Explorer. Yeah. Click the second one. This document is there, but unfortunately, this document is not visible to the user. Click the three dot. Click the permission below. Share option. Give a name Tim and Tom. Very good. Click save now. All right. Go back to the Google Chrome. and refresh the website. Still the document is not available to you. Correct now? So it means that the site or the permission which you have given to this user, it is still not flowing there. Go back to again, or let's Tom to upload. Just open the document, go back to your C drive. Now right click that, right click and rename it, because it's the same document, right? So right click and just say rename. Yeah, maybe you can change the name. All right, click open. Give your check-in comment. So you have to give a title. Now look at that, what it is exactly asking. This document was uploaded successfully and checked out to you as a user. The field below are correct and that required field to be filled out first. And what is the second one is say that? Item on this list require content approval. Your submission will not appear in public view until approved by someone with proper right. Click check in now. Go back to the previous one. Internet Explorer. Second one, refresh the browser. Oh, just wait. Yeah, refresh the browser. Refresh the browser so that we should check what happened. Now, SP admin is able to see both the document, but Tom able to see only the first document. Now, right click this doc or right click this doc demo. You have a three dot. Yeah, click three dot again. Now click. Is there any other things which you are able to hold on? Let me to put this one to out. Yeah. Click advanced now. Below is the last one. And look at that. What are option you are going to get? Publish as a major version, check out, compliance detail, and so on, so on, so on. So let me, for an example, one minute. Let me to make it a bit more zoom less. Yeah, it's all fine. All fine. All fine. Yes. Now just make this publish as a major version. click publish as a major version. Give your comment. All right. So now we have made changes in this public version. Can you go to the content? This click the document on the right hand side and enable additional columns. So on the right hand side, click the document. Sorry, left hand side. Click the document. Go to library. All right, and click the library setting. Just go and enable the columns, additional columns for this specific document management system. Click add from existing site column. Yes. Just check what all. Scroll down. Hold on. Click assign to. Click add. Assignee name. Add. Assignee name. Yeah. Add. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Keep scrolling down. Click on comment and add it. Yeah, click that. Keep scrolling down, Monica.